What's up, y'all? Hope everybody having a great Tuesday. Headed to work. I just had a quick thought that I wanted to share with you. When it comes to weave, y'all know I talk about it a lot. If you follow me, a lot of people get mad at me for talking about it. But my overall thoughts when it comes to weave and it comes to black women that don't have alopecia, that don't have cancer, don't have lupus, don't have anything that causes you to lose your hair, the outright reason that majority of black women wear weave is because they're lazy. Now, we hear that word lazy and we get mad because it automatically has a negative connotation. Just like when you hear the word ignorant, people automatically get mad, but all it really means is that you're not aware or educated on a given subject. The word lazy doesn't necessarily mean you're a bad person. It just means you're not willing to do what it takes to put the effort in to get a task accomplished. Take a point. For instance, let's say someone has their shoes untied. You tell them every day, hey man, your shoe untied. Your shoe untied. They're like, I know. I don't feel like it. I'm tired of tying my shoe. I'm tired of going down there. I mean, it's just too much effort. I'm sick of it. I mean, if I had somebody that could tie my shoe every day, then I'll do it. I'll wear. I'm tired of this. Matter of fact, I'm about to go to VELCRO shoes. I'm going to VELCRO shoes. So I don't got to ever worry about tying my shoe again. I'm sick of this crap. Shoe time business is done for me. I think weaves and wigs are equivalent to VELCRO shoes. Because all you hear, the women that don't want to wear the natural hair, first I'll say, oh, this is a protective style. A protective style. You don't never wear your real hair. We don't never see your actual hair. So how is you having a protective style? I'm going to go a little deep with this example. If I wear a condom, I'm protecting myself from STDs, protecting myself from a higher chance of conceiving a child. I'm protecting myself from that. How would I look wearing a condom all day long, every day? Y'all catch my drift. Listen, I'm not against anyone trying to make themselves look beautiful. I just want you to know that your natural hair is beautiful. And as a black woman, the word queen is thrown around, the name queen is thrown around. Well, every queen has her crown. And that crown is your hair. So yes, it may take effort in that given hair. Yes, you do have a disadvantage over other cultures. But they wash their hair every day. If they don't, we know their hair stink. But so they have disadvantages that you don't have. So everyone is different. Everyone is different. Everyone has differences. But that don't make you no better than no one else. And especially, it don't make you no better if you continue to wear other people's hair. My little short message about this. I know y'all get tired of me talking about it, but I have to keep it real for a moment. You can say I'm fat, you can call me a coon, you can call me ugly, you can call me all that stuff, but you can't call me a liar. All I want us to do is let's grow. Peace.